Morning students, today we will do the numericals based on the series and parallel combination. In series combination, the resistors are said to be in series if there is same current flowing through the resistors, and they are said to be in parallel if they are connected across the same potential difference. If they are connected in the same across the same potential difference, this one getting the same potential, therefore current flow will be equal to V is equal to IR. So I is equal to V over R. V is same for all the resistors, but R is different, so they will get the different currents. So the basic condition is for a resistor to be parallel if they are connected across the same potential difference. How to find the net resistance? In series, it is directly add the resistors R1 plus R2 plus R3. If they are in parallel, then 1 over R is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. Now we will do some numerical. I will give you assignment of series and parallel, then you will try at your home today only. You have to finish this work series and parallel today only. Tomorrow I will send you a video on the next topic. 2R, R and R, they are in series because the same current flow, there is no other way current have to flow. So this current will flow only in this way. So they are in series, their plus is 4R. Now this circuit can be drawn like this. So 4R are parallel. So students, keep in mind, if two same resistors are in parallel, then the net resistance is their half. So 4R and 4R is 2R. If n resistors are in parallel, suppose n resistors of a resistance R are in parallel, then their net resistance is R divided by n. So 4R parallel, their resistance will be 2R. Now 2R, they are in series, they will become 4R. 4R parallel, they will become 2R. Then you can solve very easily, the answer will be 4R. Keep this in mind. If the circuit has symmetry, the left part is the mirror image of the second part, right part. Students, keep in mind, you cannot see the symmetry on this line because they are connected here and here. So don't ever watch the symmetry like this. You have to go perpendicular to this connection. So this side is mirror image of this side. So potential distribution, keep in mind, potential difference distribution will be same for upper circuit and downward circuit, this circuit and this circuit. So from the upper side, no current can flow down, and from down direction no current will flow up. So they are the separate things. This can be separated from this. So we can redraw this circuit like this. Now it become very easy. R and R are in series and parallel to R. So you can easily solve this numerical also. Similar kind of numerical is this. This is line of symmetry. Keep in mind, this cannot be line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry. Left part is equal to the right part. So this point will be at same potential. No current will flow from upper to down. No current will flow from down to up. So this circuit is reduced like this, and you can solve very easily. Now how to solve this circuit? We have to find the resistance between A and B. So from A, current will flow like this. So they are in series. 3 and 3 are 6. 6 and 6 are parallel. So 6 and 6 are parallel, then its resistance will be 3. So in this place we can place a single resistor of 3. 3 and 3 become in series, 6 and 6 become parallel, so their answer will be 3. Again 3 and 3 become series, so 6 and 6 are parallel, so its answer will be 3. 3 and 3 are in series, so their answer will be 6. 6 and 3 are in parallel. At last 6 and 3 are in parallel, so their resistance will be 2 ohm. This is the most important category. Students, please keep in mind, if in any connection there is a wire attached like this, what does it mean? It means there is no potential drop across this line, because this wire has negligible resistance, but V is equal to IR. R is almost 0 for this wire, so this is called short circuiting. The potential at here and here will be same. Here and here will be same. So note the potentials. Suppose here the potential is VA, here will be VA. जब तक रास्ते में बेटा कोई रेजिस्टेंस ना आए तब तक पोटेंशियल सेम रहता है. अगर यहाँ पे VA है तो यहाँ पे जाके भी VA होगा. इसी तरह अगर यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल VB है तो यहाँ पे जाके भी पोटेंशियल VB होगा. अब इसको ध्यान से देखें, जो R रजिस्टर है वो लगा हुआ है VA एंड VB के बीच में. इसी तरह ये रजिस्टर जो लगा हुआ है ये भी VB एंड VA के बीच में लगा हुआ है. इसी तरह ये रजिस्टर जो है ये VA एंड VB के बीच में लगा हुआ है. It means these three resistors are attached between the same potential difference, so they are in parallel. So this is not much confusing circuit, you will find very easily. Now the last example I will give you on the series and parallel. You can see there are three resistors, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. But this connection, this resistor is short circuited. It means if the potential, here potential is A, here B, from this side if we see, but from this side there is no drop of potential. So current will not flow through this. Current will flow like this, because it is easiest way current have to flow. So there is no drop of potential. Their potential will be A. This resistor will not get any current. So the resistance of the circuit will become 2 ohm and 3 ohm, 5 ohm, and current will be equal to 5 volt over 5 ohm. That will be equal to 1 ampere. So it is very easy. So today beta I will send you certain assignments, certain numericals on the series and parallel. Please do it carefully today only and send me the answers. Good. Thank you very much.